guys ready for the reveal? This is gonna be the major reveal. Here you go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. So today in this video I'm gonna do something crazy. By the title you might have already guessed that yes, I'm gonna color my hair. So I have been growing my hair from past 2.5 years and I have to chop my hair. So I thought why not just experiment, and I was so skeptical and nervous at the same time. But I thought that however I'm gonna cut my hair, so why not just go ahead and experiment this sort of thing. And I was thinking for a long time that I want to color my hair, just wanted to experiment or maybe do something crazy for my content, because I was just normally doing makeup sort of looks and all, but right now because of COVID and because of lockdown you don't apply makeup as such. So I thought why not just make something entertaining or something different from my usual videos. So that's the reason why I thought of coloring my hair. And if at all this kind of gets ruined or goes wrong, then I have an option of chopping or cutting my hair however. So I thought I'll just color this portion of my hair, so the down parts of my hair. I don't want to color the entire hair. If you're someone who want to get colored your hair professionally, which I have done twice in my life till now. I think 2 years back I have colored my hair. Right now I have just a little bit of color left to the ends of my hair. I'm gonna tell you guys how the technique is and how I'm gonna do it. Obviously I'm using this for the first time, so you can just watch this and learn how to do this. And if you're going out and getting your hair colored, it will obviously cost you more than 3,500. First time I have done just highlights. I think I have done almost 15 to 20 highlights in that, and later I have done the global thingy, and that costed me around 4 to 5,000. I exactly don't remember the price, but somewhere around 4 to 5,000 it minimum cost you if you go out and get your hair colored professionally. But the color which I'm gonna use now, it will cost you hardly 170 or maybe within 350. So that's the overall cost which costs you. So before getting started with applying the hair color, make sure that you're wearing something old, or maybe you don't mind ruining it, because there are high chances of getting the stains on your clothes as well. So wear something appropriate to that. And the next thing is that you should always make sure that you're removing your jewelry. If you're applying from the top section of your hair, then you remove your earrings as well. I'm just gonna apply to the end, so I haven't bothered removing my earrings. These are the few precautions which you have to follow. So I think we are good to go now. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So I have ordered the color from Amazon. So I just received this packaging the previous day. I have ordered 2 boxes of this. You get so many shades in this particular streaks hair color highlighting thingy. I got myself soft blonde because I just don't want to go towards the harsh colors or maybe something which is like does not suit my personality. So I just thought that I'll play safe and I'll go with the soft blonde, and even there were good reviews on this particular shade. So now I'm gonna take this blonder, and make sure that you are far away from this. I'm gonna take the entire sachet of the blonder. Because of this blonder, it's too harsh. If you are someone beginner, if you are a teenager or if you are a kid, please don't try this. I would suggest, because this is too harsh. I have to apparently wear a mask and then open the sachet, because it was going all over and it was so harsh. I was coughing like hell because the crow is screaming a lot, which is irritating me right now. So don't mind. So this is how it looks like. It is a sort of purple shade. I have a developer. I have to use the complete sachet of the developer. I'll just cut and mix into the blonder. And so be careful, switch off the fan or wherever you have like air coming, just don't sit there, and mix this into this. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna mix it with this spatula only which comes. If you have long or if you have pretty long hair and you want to cover your hair or color your hair from this part of your hair, like if you want to do this much, then I think 2 also doesn't sufficient. You have to order 3 packs. I'll get my hands on the gloves. They are the plastic gloves. I would have got the rubber gloves which you can find it in medical, but my bad, I haven't remembered to get those things. Anyway, I'm just dividing my hair into two, and I'm just gonna color this much part of my hair, because I just don't want to take risk and ruin this. Because and the other point is that you can see here the chart, what is this called, color chart. So if you have naturally brown hair, then this is how the color turns out. If you have black natural hair, then this is how it turns out as per this chart. So I have mixed this properly. So I have put on my gloves, and let's get started. I'm getting so nervous right now because I'm just worrying how this turns out. I just hope that I'll not ruin my hair. Yeah, I know that, however, I have an option of cutting my hair, but still I'm getting nervous and scared at the same time. So let's get started and see how this works, so that if this turns out to be best now, then you can obviously try it on you as well. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I've been saying this from past 5-10 minutes that I'll get started, but still I'm in the same situation, same position, sitting and thinking what this will turn out. But anyways, we'll just try it and let's see how this turns out. I'll just tie the other side of my hair with a rubber band so that this will be away from my face, and it helps me to concentrate on one part of my hair. So yeah, I'll just throw this back side and then I'll concentrate on this part. I think I'll go with smaller sections only, or should I go with the larger section? Now I'm pretty confused. So I'll just throw the front section backwards and then color this part. And by the way, you will have to use foils, because especially for the sake of this video, I have got the foil paper. So the reason why you have to apply foil is that, please don't mind the sound of this, because I have put on the gloves and I'm started talking, so this kind of gets irritated to you, but please bear with me for some time. I'll just tell you the reason of foil and then we'll do the voiceover, or maybe some music I'll just put on. The reason why we put the foil is that the payoff of the color gets perfect, like that proper color gets into your hair when you apply foil. That's the reason which I know. If I'm wrong, please let me. I have informed lot of things to you, what and all we have to follow and all. So let's get started now. So I'm thinking now, should I color with this spatula or should I go with the regular brush, which is this one which I had. So I'll just try with this spatula. Every hair will get the color properly. So this smells too bad, man. I don't know, this brush is not working that well. I'll just go with my regular brush only. I hope I have not taken the longer section of my hair, but the smell is so irritating. I'm going with very little amount, so that I can just increase later on, and then I'm gonna spread this eventually with my fingers itself. And now I'm gonna cover this with the foil. So I did cut my foil papers in this small pieces, so that it will become convenient for me to directly apply it. I'm just folding my hair like so that it kind of gets stuck into this. I don't know how to apply these foils properly, but I'll just figure it out and I'll just wrap it. The main reason of the foil is to wrap your hair, right? So I'll just wrap in this way. So now this part is done, so I'll just throw this particular section towards back side and then I'll do the other section. So I would suggest you to take this brush itself. That brush is just like no use of it. If you're coloring your hair, it might be at your home or maybe at salons, you have to make sure that you're taking good care of your hair, because after coloring your hair, it kind of gets dry. So you have to make sure that you're masking properly every week. Is how I have colored or maybe covered my hair. As you can see, I just hope that I'll match the length of this side to this side, because that is now the tricky part comes. So this is how I have completely I have taken like 1, 2, 3, 4 strands here. same way I'm gonna do it. Now you guys, I have applied the color properly and this is how it looks like, and I'll let it sit for about half an hour and then I can wash it off. This is just a rough video. I'll not edit it as much because I just wanted to make sure that you guys, if you want to apply the hair color at home, then you will have a pretty good idea by seeing my video. So that's the reason why I'll keep this video as much as raw I can put it, that much I'll put it. If this color turns out to be good, then I can keep this for 6 months also and then I can cut it off. I'll obviously let you guys know whatever I'm doing it. Other thing which I wanted to let you know is that you don't have to, apply like more quantity and end up using 2 boxes. I don't know how this turns out. Once I wash this hair color, and you can see obviously how the color turns out to be, and then you can decide if you want to go with 1 box or 2 boxes. Obviously if you have like longer hair, then I would suggest 2 boxes only. And I'll keep this for about half an hour from now and then I'll wash it off. And then I'll show you the end result, how this will turn out. So yeah guys, I am almost done. Like I have blow dried my hair and I have slightly curled my hair. And are you guys ready for the reveal? This is gonna be the major reveal and major makeover sort of thingy which I have done for my own self. There is nothing much I have done to my hair. I have just applied 2 pumps of serum and I have curled them. So I think I'm gonna reveal it right now. So here you go. This is how the color has been turned out. I'm pretty happy. In fact, the shade and the way how it turned out is also pretty, good. So I have just curled a little bit, not much. So yeah, exactly this is how it looks like. What I have done is I have used the complete 1 sachet and there was little bit of product left over. So what I have done is, after applying the foils, I have just took the little bit of product and I have just roughly I have applied to the upper part of my hair. That's the reason why the hair color looks pretty well and it looks like you have done your hair color from a professional. If I would have applied only on this portion of my hair, then it would look a little bit offbeat, like blondie sort of effect for my hair. So I'm pretty happy and I hope that you like it. Approximately I have kept my hair color on for 35 minutes, not more than that, and then I have washed with shampoo as well as conditioner, and this is how it looks like. Overall I'm pretty happy. I hope this video was helpful to you as well as you like this video. If it is so, please hit that like button and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon beside the subscribe button. It's free to do it. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.